guys, and welcome back to Doitonadime with Kathryn. Today we're talking about decorating outside for spring, some super easy tips and hacks on a tiny budget. First up is a wood crate for your front porch. They're so inexpensive and really easy to stain. Now this is actually my friend Jess's front porch. We've been doing a ton of crafts lately. She stained her wood crate and found a stencil at the craft store for just $3 on sale and used some inexpensive chalk paint to really customize it. Now you guys know I am all about the Dollar Tree, but the problem with Dollar Tree flowers is they do fade over time. And you can actually get flowers on Amazon that are plastic, weather resistant, and look incredibly real for about $2.25 a bundle. They last for a super long time and do great outside. So that's definitely something worth considering because it actually might save you money in the long run. They look super realistic. Next are wood pallet signs. And I've been showing tons of tutorials on my channel of how to make these on the cheap. This looks really great on a front porch. Attach some inexpensive hardware to the back and use a command hook or a nail to put it on your front porch. This looks so elegant, rustic, and beautiful. And when it comes to getting flowers on a budget, I can plant the bulbs in the ground later and they'll bloom next spring. Up next are easy window boxes. There's no way I could keep anything alive inside. So from the dollar store, I got a dowel rod and some craft foam, and then I stuck in about 4 sprigs of flowers in each one. To help weight it down in the window box, I filled some plastic baggies with dollar store sand. This looks so elegant when you put it inside, especially because it's on the second floor. No one would ever know that I did it from the dollar store.
I mean, true story, I just kind of walk in here and just, take over the floor with my craft projects.
And I want to end this video with one of my favorite recent finds from the Dollar Tree, and that's mason jars with floating candle holders. These would be like $6 or $7 at the craft store. No DIY involved. They are absolutely beautiful. So check your local Dollar Tree and see if you can find these. I think it's a really elegant way to decorate outside for spring. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, definitely leave it a thumbs up and subscribe so I can catch you guys in the next one. I'll see you guys there. Bye.
Good kite flying, Owen. After we decorate the porch, we gotta play. These are also from the Dollar Tree, PS. They're really, really cool. Can you say kite?
Kite.
You can tell them that, sure. Tell them.
Happy spring, happy Easter.